Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Put on those seatbelts for me. Put on those seatbelts. Outside in, outside in. Put on those seatbelts for the chair for me. And then hit that button. All right, put on your seatbelt for me. And make sure you're walking out there, not throwing your button there. All right, turn the strap, hit that button. All right, turn the strap, turn the strap.
Not enough. Time is money.
Hit that button, turn the strap, hit that button, turn the strap, turn the strap, turn the strap. Hit those flashing buttons. Alrighty, please don't break your lights out when I do it.
Flight engineer, prepare them. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Go back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go hit that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! Fire engineers! Fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot brakes! Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, gravity, coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's breaking, keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. Highly grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
You
who have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my honest prophet, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All right, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? With tentacles, I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of it. It could be dangerous for the cargo. And for the crew. Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
Great, pretty bumpy back here. I was holding on the entire time. Grab that cargo though before you depart. Anything leave behind, I will take for Handheld. That includes communicator devices, scrap metal.
Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.